What's going on, Auntie Ami? Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy that you are here with me today. And if you're new here, hi there, my name is Paula from Pocahontas Hair. Welcome to my corner of the YouTube world. If you are new to my channel, please definitely it's by force, you have to subscribe. Click on that red button and subscribe. Click on the bell as well, that every time I drop a video, you know it's the usual, yeah, exactly. If you've been subscribed to me, hey auntie, how's it going? How you doing? So anyway, in today's video we're gonna be talking about rice water. Like, there's been a challenge that I've been seeing all over my YouTube about a 10-day challenge, and I was like, oh, I mean, I'm into this rice water thing, but really growth in 10 days, like what? So I'm like, no, definitely let me try it. So I did try it, and I didn't actually put in the process as to how I make the rice water and stuff like that, because I've done a video on it. So just click the icon here, I believe it's here, and it will take you back to when I would explain what rice water does, its origins, and all its benefits, all that good stuff, yada yada yada. So in this video, I'm just going to go right into the challenge and seeing if I can get some length in 10 days. Wild. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So right now my hair has just been washed. I just washed it just now, and I'm gonna take out hair from 4 places. I'm gonna take out hair from the front, and I'm gonna take out hair from behind my ears and from the back. And the hair from behind my ears on the sides as well as the back, I'm able to draw a line on my shirt, that way I will not forget where I put it. I then apply the rice water every single day. I don't put too much, but I start off by applying it on my scalp, massaging it into my scalp, and then on the length of my hair. Immediately after, I follow it up with a moisturizer and an oil to seal up that moisture. So you can use any moisturizer, any oil that you prefer. So I didn't record every single day of me applying the rice water, but by day 5 I did make a fresh batch of rice water as well as wash my hair, because I was starting to get product buildup. Aunties, it is day 10 and it's the moment of truth. I have just spritzed my hair with water because it was dry, and now I'm going to stretch. I'm wearing my same old raggedy shirt, and now I'm gonna stretch my hair and see if anything happened. Like, I need to know if this is a hoax or if it's true, So I'm gonna go through the same 4 parts that I did the last time, and then we're gonna do a side by side, which is not necessary because I have the marks here, but still. Okay, I had taken out it just to take out any shed hair, and then start to stretch. So this is where my back is at. So it does work. It looks like it works. Wow. It's a wow. Okay, I'm shocked. I didn't realize. Oh wow. Like for me, my hair never works with any like fast hair growth, potions, mixes, handstands, inversion methods, you know, things like that. It doesn't, I don't see fast hair growth like that. So to get this, auntie. Oh, wow. Okay, so yeah, I guess that's it from me, everybody. I will see you in my next video. Don't ask me how often you're supposed to use it. I don't know. I really don't know. I'm not gonna do this every day because I'm just telling you about my experiences. First of all, there's a type of protein in the rice water, and if you're protein sensitive, you might actually get more breakage as opposed to growth. So try to counter that by using moisturizing products. That's one. And secondly, I was getting a lot of buildup. I did have to wash my hair on day 5, and today's day 10. I'm gonna wash it again. So there's that to keep in mind as well. I will not be doing this all the time because it also smells so bad. It smells like the rice water smells. By day 5, I was about to puke. Like it was. Whoop. It was bad. It was really, really bad, but it was worth it. So yeah, that's it for me, everybody. Please do subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell. Share this video because I'm sure other people are also struggling with struggling ponies. Like it's guys couldn't see, okay? So share, help your friends. Show them this video and they can learn a thing or two. Okay, so I will see you in my next one. Let's keep in touch on my Instagram and Twitter, wherever I'll find you. All my handles are in the description box, and I'll leave the next video